Hello everyone, welcome to our video. Today I will show you how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. So there are a couple of ways you can do this. So the first thing that we have to do is we have to go on a post here. We can go to three dots and then we can archive the post right here, as you can see. So we just archive the post. So how can we access the archive to unarchive the posts? So we can go here to the three dots right here. In the upper corner. Then what we can do is we can go to your activity here, and then we can scroll down and we can go to archived here, and then we can put here posts, stories, or live archives. So we can also archive stories. So for example, if we go to post here, we just archived this post right here. Or no, we just archived this post right here. We can go here to three dots and we can go show on profile. This is how to unarchive posts. As you can see, show reel on profile. Your reel will show up on your profile and people will be able to see and interact with it again. So we can click show on profile, and what this will do is this will restore or unarchive post on Instagram. Now, for example, if we go and if we create a story, let's create a story here. We can create a story right here, for example, like that. We can share this story real quick. We can click done, and then what we can do is we can obviously refresh right here. We can go to the story, we can go to three dots, we can go to as you can see, we can go to story settings right here. We can click delete, right? We can click delete here, and as you can see, you have 30 days or 24 hours for unarchived stories to restore or permanently delete photos. So what we can do is we can go again to three dots right here, or three stripes, right? And what we can do is your activity, and then go to archived. And then what we can do is we can go to stories archive right here, and we'll be able to see that we archived a story. And then we can go to story here, we can go to three dots, and we can again unarchive, right? Right now we don't have that option because it didn't yet the story didn't yet upload it. But what you can also do is you can go to three dots here, and you can just go to archive immediately, right? And you can go to stories archive and post archive as well. So this is basically how to archive and unarchive posts on Instagram. It's really simple. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below and I'll make sure to answer all of your questions. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.